Hello viewers, I thought I'd start a line of videos about sharing some of my old scale models. I don't have these models anymore, but I saved photographs of them, and some of them are so old I thought I'd chronicle them for historical purposes. So today we're looking at a 1/8 scale Pocher Porsche 993. I actually had two of these model kits back in 2003. To give you an idea of when I bought these things, I had a silver one, and then I also had a black one, which I took the photos of. But here you'll see the model kit in silver, and it's still in the bags and all that stuff. So you'll see the body panels were all painted silver and everything. And really it's just you just glue the thing together, from what I recall. It wasn't a really difficult model kit to put together, only a few hundred pieces, I think. But on this one, you'll notice here the A-pillar is cracked. So that was a big letdown. Uh, I guess it had, the thing was thrown around maybe in shipping. I think I bought these off eBay 20 years ago. Alright, well anyway, so here's the finished model I took photos of. Obviously this is the black version. I love this car so much, the 993, that's why I bought these model kits. But obviously you can see the scale, 1/8 is just huge. I believe Pocher is still in business. I don't know if they still make this kit, but I know they make modern Lamborghinis and stuff. So, yes, obviously this thing has a red interior. All the panels open as well, although I didn't take pictures of all of the panels open, unfortunately. So here's the rear view. You can see into the disc brake system, looks pretty good. I printed out some custom license plates. I was living in Los Angeles at the time. A little bit of the interior view, all the gauges and all that stuff. It had like a felt carpet for the interior bottom as well. Alrighty, let's see here. I printed out like a scale map as well, an extra license plate, but yeah, you can see a little bit of that felt that was used for the carpeting. And here's a shot here where I have a little anime girl, racing anime girl. I forget who that was, but there's another view of her. And then later on I bought one of those benders from Futurama, and he's working on the rear engine there. Behind it is a big 1/8 scale Snap-on Tools coin bank. There's a slot somewhere on there, I think, and you can put coins in it. That thing was all die-cast from what I recall, but I sold all this stuff off here. Over in the little upper right, you can see a Tamiya 1/24 scale Austin Mini Cooper Rally that I made as well. Unfortunately, this was all from 20 years ago. I don't have any of these things, so here's a quick video. I just thought I'd share this with you, and stay tuned. I'm going to share some other photographs. So, okay, thanks for watching. Bye.